my name is Ikoya. I'm the creator and founder of Silky Sacks, and I'm here today to teach you how to make your hair and your hairline blend in with your half wig if it's a different color from your hair. But before we get into that, there's a few things I want to ask you to do. If this is your first time coming to Silky Sacks, I want to say welcome. Here we do wig reviews, we do hair tutorials, we give you hair tips, we've done challenges, and it's all free every Monday and Friday. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell so you'll be notified whenever we drop a video. And if you're watching over on the FB, we love you on Facebook too. Go ahead and give this video a like and a share, and then on both platforms, give it a like and a share, and let's talk about it. How did I do, you guys? Did I blend this in good with my hairline? Let's talk about it. Now, here at Silky Sacks, I love to send a shout out to my Silky Chicks. That is what I call my subs, and today's shout out is going to K Love. K Love is a fellow YouTuber. She does wig reviews. She also does makeup looks. She has some fun Halloween looks on her channel. So if you're into wigs and that kind of thing, then go ahead and check her channel out. The link will be down in the description box. So now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. So headband wigs, you guys, have become super duper popular, and with the rise of headband wigs, the rise of half wigs have also come back. It's a great way for you to rock a headband wig or make your own headband wig, or if you just want to wear a wig and without having to do a lot of laying down and melting lace, this is a great thing too. But a lot of us want to wear our half wigs and headband wigs that are a different color than our hair. So I mentioned in the video before if you would like for me to show you how to do that, and you guys said yes, so here it is. So my natural hair is a darker black, and then I went out and purchased this half wig by Motown Tress. That's a beautiful burgundy, and then I went in and decided to go ahead and blend it together so you can get this look. So I'm getting ready to go ahead and get into it and show you how to do it. So first, to get the hair to lay as flat as possible underneath my half wig, I'm going to take it and put it into two sections like I'm doing a half up, half down style. Then I'm using my Silky Sacks Hold Me Together hair clip to clip the top half of my hair in place so that I can detangle the bottom half. Now I'm going in with my Alley K Lemongrass leave-in conditioner just to help moisturize my hair and put some product in there to help it not be so dry and protect it before I go in to detangle it. I'm detangling with my wide tooth comb, and I'm starting at the bottom and then working my way up to the roots. I sectioned that part off into a braid, and now I'm getting ready to do the same thing on this top part. When I'm doing the top half, I'm just focusing on spraying the bottom of my hair and trying my best to stay away from my hairline and my edges, since that is where I'm going to be placing the spray later on in the video. And again, starting from the bottom and working my way up to the roots with the detangling. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with this part of my hair. I'm going to go ahead and braid this as well so that it is in two sections, and I'm not worried about the parts being straight because it's all going to be underneath the half wig, but this just helps it lay a little flatter. Now I'm putting on a shower cap, leaving the front of my hair and the hairline out so that it can be sprayed. I also have on an older t-shirt because some of the spray did come off onto my clothes when I was taking my shirt off, so be aware of that. Also, you do get a little spray on your hands, so you can wear gloves if you want. This is the spray I chose. It's Rockstar Red by the brand High Beams to match the wig. Now, the mistake that I made that I should not have done here is I should have went ahead and styled laid my edges and stuff first, and then went in with the spray, because as you'll see as the tutorial goes on, when I take and put my Eco Style gel in there and start brushing it back, I also brush out about a little bit of the coloring, so I had to go back and spray it. So to keep from having to do the double work, just go ahead, girl, and lay your edges, slick them back, your baby hair, or whatever swoops or whatever you're gonna do. Go ahead and do those first and then spray your hair. That way you don't have to go ahead and do backtracking. All right, okay, now back to the tutorial. So you can find this spray anywhere where they sell hair products. I got mine from the local beauty supply. You can also buy them online at the beauty supply. You just want to make sure that you get the color that matches your half wig. And the great thing about these is the color washes out with shampoo, and it even washed off my hand with soap and water. They also recommend that you spray it in short, quick, small bursts. Now I'm going in with my concealer and my concealer brush, and I'm just concealing my eyebrows so that I can go ahead and do them red to match my hair. Now this is my first time doing my eyebrows a different color, so please have some grace and mercy for your girl on her first time. And while I'm waiting for the concealer to dry, I'm just going in and starting to do my makeup. Now I'm taking this Cherry MAC lip liner and I'm using that as an eyeliner to go ahead and to create my red brows. Next, I'm going in with my Eco Style gel to lay down my edges and my baby hair. And this is what I was talking about earlier. Some of the color came off doing this, as you can see in the middle. So I recommend doing that again first and then putting the spray on it. So I'm adding my wig cap to help hold my hair down before I put the half wig on. Grabbing the half wig and just putting the combs and putting her in place, and then bringing her forward so that only the area that is sprayed is being shown and is being revealed. Then just pulling the curls loose a little bit and pulling it forward. Now I've seen where I had missed some areas or where it had came off from doing the gel, so I'm just going in and touching those areas and those spots up to make sure that it's fine. Again, pulling the curls loose to give it some more volume. And now I'm just taking a tissue and going along the hairline and wiping off any excess spray off of my forehead and along the hairline. And voila, we are done. Here it is with and without a headband. I think it turned out super cute, you guys. So let me know in the comments what you think. Did we do a good job of blending the hairline? And the great thing is it washes out with shampoo very easily. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. I hope that it helped. If you decide to do this, please tag us over on Silky Sacs and let us know how it worked out for you guys. I would love to see it. Please go ahead and check out the description box. We have a great freebie giving you tips on things that you could be doing that are destroying your wig right now, so check that out. And also, when I take this half wig off, I'm not going to put it back into the plastic that it came out of. I'm going to put it in my luxurious Silky Sac. A Silky Sac is a silk lining bag that I invented to not only store your wigs in, but to add longevity to them. The silk lining allows the hair to just glide, cutting down on the shedding, tangling, and matting that it would do if you were to put it back into the plastic or wherever you are keeping those wigs. So the link to our website is also going to be down in the description box, so please check us out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in our next video. Remember, better care is better wear.